Hey Sagittarius, Trishna here. Today we're doing your November 2018 forecast, and what I'm feeling for you is I feel like you had some really high expectations about how the last month was going to go for you, and they didn't really go as well as you would have liked. I think it was kind of disappointing, and so this month you're kind of in this phase of really trying to understand what happened and really trying to grapple with the whole situation. And I feel like you're in this analysis mode where you're trying to, answer the question, what happened, what went wrong, why did it go wrong, all these kinds of questions. And I don't think you guys are getting too overly analytical about the situation, but the guidance that I get for you is that it's really important that you, while you do this analysis, that you don't get yourself stuck in some kind of pessimistic place where all you see are the negatives or all you see are the mistakes that you made, and then you allow that to really impact yourself and your psyche and really get you stuck in that place. I think it's really important that when you do this analysis that you don't just focus on what went wrong and why it went wrong. I think that in order to give yourself better balance and to really make this month a time when you can really learn and grow from this whole situation instead of learn but stay stuck and not really grow. I think what you need to do is, while you are asking yourself what went wrong, why it went wrong, that you also really think about what, if this involves another person or whatever the situation is, not just what went right, but what did that person say to me that was really nice? What compliments did they give me? What did they say that really was positive about me or about the situation? And I think that will give you a better balance, because whatever that person said, if this involves another person, they meant it. They meant it in that moment. So even if things didn't work out in the end, it doesn't discredit anything that was said. It's not like they said that then and they meant it then, but they don't mean it anymore, or they said that then, but they didn't mean it. So why did they say that? They meant it when they said it, and they still mean it now. It's just that sometimes things don't really work out the way that we expect them to or want them to. So yeah, that's really the guidance that I get, is that this is a time when it is good to analyze and get a little report on, a self-report on what really happened and grow from it. But it's not the time to put yourself down and get yourself stuck. It's also a time to really recognize what you have done well, because that's the only way that you're going to be encouraged and motivated to move on and move forward, versus being stuck in all the things that went wrong. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys take a very positive approach to your analysis this month, because I think it is warranted. I think that there are a lot of really great, wonderful things about you, and just don't beat yourself up and put yourself down. You need to be balanced in your analysis, okay? You need balance. You got to see both sides, not just the wrong side, like what went wrong. Got to see what also went right. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, check out the description box for a free course for empaths. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.